Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Patricia, and today we are going to make a very simple recipe for your family for lunch. As you know your kids are on holidays, so I'm going to show you how to make carbonara pasta. It's very easy and simple, and it's not even expensive. It's very cheap recipe. Okay, as you can see, I'm boiling my water, but before boiling I've added just a little bit of salt, and then I'll add my pasta. There is fresh dried pasta. You can use spaghetti as you want, but me I've used dried pasta. Fresh pasta, and also you can make your own pasta at home and make it very simple. So this one I'm going to boil it for only 12 minutes. Then I'm going to stir before it started boiling. I'll show you a retro axis. As you can see, I'm using a wooden spoon. Yeah, what I'm going to do, I have a secret. I just press it here so that if it's boiled, it's not gonna pour all over. It's going to stay at this level. Okay, I'm going to put just only one spoon of olive oil, and then stir. This will make the pasta not to stick, and to cook, to have a good flavor. Meanwhile, I'm going to fry my onions. I'm going just to fry a little bit with olive oil, just only one tablespoon of olive oil. You can see my pot doing fine there. Note that I don't make my onions golden brown. Just want them to be translucent. Then this is the time I'll add my bacon. This is a part of cheek pig, the cheek of the pig. That's what we call it, the main dish. Then mix well. Add a little bit. I've added just a pinch of salt. Yeah. Pepper to taste. I won't add too much salt because the bacon has its salt already. Adjust the heat. So, then whisk, add a pinch of salt, and whisk. Our bacon is ready. You can see it's a little bit crispy, and our pasta is already ready. It's ready as well. I've drained my pasta. Going to add the egg, but not that the heat is off. It's not on because I don't want to cook my eggs. I just want to warm them. Because if you cook them, it will be like scrambled egg. Then mix. Mix well.
Bismillah.
Mix well. Okay. Your bacon. And mix. When it's still hot, and mix. Our pasta is ready to serve. Thanks for watching the video, and for those who are new here, thanks for joining the family. Don't hesitate to subscribe, share, like, and leave comments. Okay, I appreciate. Thanks. Bye for now. See you soon.